How to find web page view and scroll in settings on Samsung internet browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find web page view and scroll in settings on Samsung internet browser. First thing, go to browser and click these three lines here in the bottom corner, and here you will find settings. Click on it and then just scroll down until you find web page view and click on it. And as you see here, you can manage web page view and scroll in settings. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.